How to log into your M&T online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to your M&T Bank online banking. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future tutorial videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. After you're on your web browser, you can also use mobile phone for this. Just go to the app or just go to a web browser and search for M&T Bank Online. After you search for that, you'll find this M&T Bank website right here, mtb.com, and there you'll find the login to M&T online banking option. You can tap on that directly and it'll take you to this page right here. This is the website by M&T Bank. So right here, what you'll need to do is go to this M&T online banking, tap on it, and it will take you to the login page. So you can directly go to onlinebanking.mtb.com as well. Now type in your username or user ID, then finally your passcode. Then tap on login to log in into your account, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.